Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another episode on Rune price prediction for May 2024, down to the earth, keeping numbers real. We would like to speak about things that are just backed up by the markets, sharing with you the most rational way possible. We are going through our traditional correction phase, which is representing another round of retracements. Hopefully, as we speak, with a level of a possible reaction here, with a strong level of support appearing already on the alts, we might get to see the low that we're all searching for. $4.6 on Rune price action, losing that $5 mark, which is quite painful for a lot of the people. It's true, it is a level that we could have and we should have held very nicely. That would have represent a whole different level of force and power behind the crypto, yet we have been not really respecting that. So what's happening before we dive into the charts? Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, we have the one-on-one coaching for those of you that are serious about a crypto space and would like to go financial freedom, as well the completely done for you trading with my ChatGPT bot trading. I'll talk about it at the end of the video, folks, in details. Now it's time to share information on the daily for Rune crypto, which is visiting the extremely classic, the very usual and popular demand zone of $4.2. This is a demand zone between 4.2 up to 4.5. This is a level we have been touched right there, over there, here, and the next one, and then 3 times on that range, basically, plus right now. So it is a level that since November, we were just retesting back and forth. And there has been a minor fake out that pretty much held us onto the 200 days moving average that was moving below us. So that was a great sign. Yeah, under any other conditions, we have not been losing this demand zone. It's a place of massive support. Last time, we have been rolling from here, a 165% in 8 days. What do we expect in March? Well, first of all, we expect to end the correction phase. We expect to end this markdown momentum and move out of the downtrending resistance line that represents the limit of the correction phase. We also expect to not lose 20 days moving average, which is the red line right there. That red line moving around with the 200 days moving average. So we don't want that 20 days moving average to cross the blue line, the 200 days moving average. And they're going to be in contact very soon. We don't want 20 days moving average to move below the blue line at all. That is indicating the loss of bullish strength, and that's not a good sign at the end of the day. So after we have been correcting 60%, the first question that goes through my mind, are you still aware? Are you still actually afraid? Not aware, afraid of getting to longs, whether we speak about spots or derivatives after 60% corrections in a bull market. We all know we're in a bull market. BTC broke out at the all-time high. We got a halving. The bull market from here is going to last for more than a year for sure. But the idea is that you are already in the bull market conditions. Are you afraid after 60% corrections to dive into longs? Then think about how does the whole picture looks when it pumps and you FOMO into the market when the whole picture is most likely unbalanced against you. Now, things are not unbalanced against you after the markets have retraced like that. The only direction they can go is to the upside. So whatever minor retracement might continue here, if so, you got so many zones of support for Rune cryptocurrency that is unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's a level that must hold. It's a level that must allow us to break above the resistance trending line, get out of the correction environment, and touch the first supply on 6.5. That's the first thing I'm going to target for May. 40%, guys. Straight on the table, 40% from now. That's the first thing. And then I'm going to go for the previous top, which is sitting on 7.3, around the $7 mark. And even from this level, even that one is at 58%, guys. So these are the two things that I'm targeting. 6.5 6.5, anything between 6.3 up to 6.5. It's the first target. The next one is going to be on 7.3 up to 7.5, which is the number one extension of the past, and that's going to be quite powerful and aggressive when it comes down to the selling pressure, which can take us back to the zone, and this could basically put us in a very strong movement into the $9 mark where the big liquidity is going to stay. That's going to be a target that will not be easy to be touched under May conditions. Yeah, it will be one of the targets that still remains active for June, July, 90%. And then obviously we have to see what this altcoins will do, another accumulation stage between 9 and 6 for Rune cryptocurrency, but that's a whole different discussion. It's not about the May situation. For May, 6.3, 6.5 the first target, and the second target is going to be on the 7.3, 7.5. These are the two things that I'm hunting wherever you buy here. In the upcoming period, you are going to sit on the green side of the picture, folks. Enjoy, have a good time. We talk to you soon. Check out the video until the end to find out more about my ChatGPT bot training without any prior fees, including the one-on-one coaching if you're serious about a crypto space. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very, very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very, very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time. But the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high. And that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.